Marriage is a course without graduation. Nobody should say it. There is no problems in marriage. No. Problem in marriage is a phenomenon. You can live a problem-free marriage if you walk through training. Jude 1:20 says, but you, beloved, is a building yourself up on your most holy faith, praying in the Holy Spirit. Marriage is all about training. By building, you must unlearn to learn if you want to have a perfect home, because both of you are coming from different foundation, different understanding, different training. Nobody should say he uses talent to make his marriage work. No, you don't use talent to make your marriage work. Rather, you use training. You use training, not talent. Nobody should say, I emulate from this man or that woman. That woman is harsh on her husband. That is why things work. You might imply it to your own. It will be worse. You don't use what? Talent to make marriage work. Rather, you use what? Training. Talent is limited, but training is elastic. Training is something that continues. It's a continuity. That's what the Bible says in the book of Proverbs 22 from verse 6. It said, train up a child. Train up a child. Train up a child in the way he should go. And when he is old, he will not depart from it. Training is what sustains. Hey, boy, don't touch this. Once you touch this fire, it will burn you. You are training up that child. You don't use talents. No, it doesn't work in marriage. But training, my husband, my wife, this is what I think if we put into practice, it will all go well for us. That is training. That is training. The height you want your marriage to go, start now. You can't use the foundation of 4-bedroom flats to grip with the foundation of 2-story. The depths are not equal. For you to bring out giants out from your loins, then the depth determines the branches that come forth from them. So this is the time you need to start. You and your wife, you don't need this, you don't need in-law, you don't need father, you don't need mother, you don't need friend. Both of you, because you are the one that put on this shoe and you know where it pinches you. Like our faces are different, that's the way our problems are. What you do that all go well for you might not all go well for me. Both of you are the one to sit together and say, what shall we do to make this marriage work?